Hey guys, my name is Builder George, and today I'm showing off a little bit more, slowly but surely, and I have two items that I want to sort of unbox. I had to unbox this one just to make sure it was alright before I actually started the video, but I got another USB port right here. This is going to be going in the rear seats, and also I ordered this console organizer from Amazon, link down in the description below, for my console, because my console is obviously a circus or a junkyard. Let's put it like that. That sounds a little bit more better. So let me flip the camera in 1, 2, 3. Well, obviously you guys can tell that my console is not the most beautiful looking thing in the world, but we have all this junk right here. Most of it's going to get removed. These are my destroyed beats, and we're going to be cleaning all this up, and then we're going to be putting this in. So let me do it again in 1, 2, 3. So now I have it in my console. It's all cleaned out now. There's nothing down below. It could be used as a secret cubby, if you want me to be honest with you, but there we go. There's also an entrance right here if you want to use the 12-volt power outlet on the side right there for your charger cord, if you want to keep it discreet. This is how it should have been from the factory. So now when you close it and you want to impress the ladies, bam, that's what I'm talking about. So we got to bring out the essentials here. Mosquito spray, just in case. The iPhone 6 that I have, my 3M tape is always an essential. A lighter, a knife, a rubber band or my wristband, and then the rest is going to junk. Oh yeah, and my stickers, just in case my dash starts peeling again. So that's it. Now we're going to flip to the back, because I want to show you guys how to install the USB ports in the back. As always, before you start any electrical work on your car, always disconnect the negative terminal on your battery, which I am doing right now. It's usually a 10mm socket, and you just pull till it disconnects. There you go. When removing the passenger panel right here, it is best to go from the top right here and just start prying it downwards as the pieces start to pop. You see? And then we can put our hands in here and slowly but surely get it out, just like that. So if we can see right here, we're going for this one right here. This is the cigarette lighter port, so we might as well disconnect. So there's going to be a black tab right under it, and you're going to press down, and then this pulls out. This is what you're going to need to disengage. After that, then the cigarette lighter is loose, and you guys can now start slowly taking it out with your pick. There's 2 tabs from within that you guys gotta look for and start pushing inwards. Once you guys do the tabs right here, this is gonna pop out outwards towards you, and you're gonna push it in from the back slowly. And there you go. It just flew off. So afterwards, we see this connector. It's the red is the hot, the black is the ground. We're gonna grab our, let me close the door. We're gonna grab our wire cutters, and we're gonna cut it the thinnest that we possibly can, towards the closest that we can towards the connector. And 1, 2, 3. There you go. Now they're cut off. After this, we're gonna have to strip some cord right here and get it down to its bare. Let me do that real quick. Once you get them stripped up right here, we're gonna grab the USB port box right here. It's the same USB port from my previous video that I made with the cigarette lighter cap. We're just going to be installing it in the back. This is actually like factory, because the factory one did have a plastic piece. So to me it made more sense just to change this one in the back as well. We're going to have our two blue connectors right here. As discussed, one is positive and one is negative. On this one, it doesn't matter where you put it, as long as it gets in. So we're gonna grab our pliers and we're gonna squeeze the sole out of it. Get it on there again. Then squeeze. And there we go. That's one. And then the ground right over here. Same exact thing. Squeeze. And there you go. So after that, we got to unlock right here the USB. So once you got it filed down right here to fit in, it will just take a little bit of work towards the side. Then you can grab the lock right behind and start tightening it so it doesn't move around. All the way down. There we go. Now it's locked. So now we're going to look for the gold plate. Gold plate is hot, silver is negative. So let me prop the camera up. Okay, so as we grab the cord on the from the harness, we're going to look for the red and white right here. There we go. And then ground to ground. There we go. So now that everything is hooked up properly, now we can slowly start again. So when we're putting up the panel back up, to make it the easiest way to put on the panel is from top to bottom. Now that everything is hooked up and it looks clean, let's hook up the battery and see the fruits of our labor. So to test everything out, I have my iPhone charger and I have a dead iPad mini. We're gonna plug it in and we're gonna wait for it to pop up. And there we go, it is charging. That means it all worked out and we're all set. I'll have the console organizer in the description down below, and I'll also have the USB port in the description down below. It's the same exact one that I used in the front dash. They charge extremely quickly for the phones. This to me is also the best upgrade that you can have in the rear for the children or family members or having a long trip. If you guys liked the video, drop a like. If you guys didn't, drop a dislike. Any comments that you guys have or questions, leave them down below and I'll gladly answer them for you. Thank you guys, and this is Builder George. Bye bye.